important to allow yourself the time to. So when you're doing badly, you need to. Your body's telling you that it's sick of doing. Or your head is sitting with your.
Good afternoon. I just wanted to ask Mr. Anand to introduce this to small cities, to encourage them, and you have to give them some awards also so that they think about this, can create less.
Thank you very much for that suggestion. Yes, I think. I spoke about doing something else other than chess to recover from chess. But of course, I know it can be a very enjoyable activity just to de-stress.
Thank you, Mr. Anand. And your wife also plays chess?
No, we're very happy married.
So, thank you for giving us all those advice. And I'll be anyone, yeah? So, we're going to be in conversation with him further. But right now, we move back to the presentation of awards. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we present awards in the healthcare sector. Now, just a little examining and analysis of the healthcare sector. India, as we all know, has a population of 1.2 billion, going to be 1.5 billion. And that is where, and with the changing lifestyles of people, we see more and more. That is where the government has been taking a lot of initiatives, but now it is initiated. We commend all of you coming from the private sector, the corporate world, who are, in fact, as I said, shouldering the responsibility with the government and providing quality healthcare. If you just look up into the US dollars, and by 2017, it's going to be 160 billion. So there's a page to it, and we have now the insurance sector also rising. So with this, just a little brief insight into the healthcare sector, we now present you the Healthcare Excellence Awards. The America trained and certified cosmetic surgeon, now practicing in India. He's the chief surgeon and medical director of the Cosmetic Surgery Institute Private Limited, Mumbai, India, and founder president of the Indian Society of Cosmetic Surgery and the Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine, Mumbai, New York. Dr. Thomas, so many achievements and so much you have contributed to the sector. Just a few words from you on that.
A very good afternoon to all of you, and indeed a pleasure and honor to be sharing the same podium as Mr. It's easy to have a set winning. The up, dusts his jacket off, and he's back again in the winning seat again, and that's where Sanand, I'm sure, will be. We all have lessons to take home. The reason why I stand here before all of you is not just merely to pick up this, but also to share with you that if there are any young people here, you must have a dream, and you can make dreams happen. You know, I come from a very poor family. I went to the US with $8 in my pocket and a one-way ticket. And for 3.5 years, I had 1 meal a day for 3 days a week. Following that, I was able to secure 2 professional degrees, one from NYU, another one from UPenn Medical School, one of the best schools in the world. And I decided to return after being professor and chairman of a main institution there, making large contributions to the cosmetic field. I came back to take care of my parents. It may sound very noble, but I did it out of necessity. All of my siblings were in the US. So I took a journey back. I can't tell you, that was a very enjoyable ride. It's like trying to be on top of a bucking bronco. You know, how long can you sit in the saddle before being thrown off? It's a challenge. It's more challenging to practice here than practice anywhere.
Dr. Narsinha Reddy, Senior Manager Marketing, Dr. Nilesh Rajadhaksha, Deputy Medical Superintendent, joining us to receive the award. Bombay Hospital and Medical Research Centre has ranked amongst the finest multi-speciality tertiary level medical centres in the country. It has some of the country's most advanced diagnostic and surgical equipments and offers a comprehensive range of specialized medical services. They have instilled in its patients a sense of genuine trust by providing free OPD and treating the patient in general ward and asking them to pay only for the medicines. Congratulations to you, sir. Of course, alongside extending these services, you're also doing a noble work, having this free OPD. What do you see as people who are in the healthcare sector? Any advice?
See, the biggest challenge today in front of the hospitals is to provide safe medical care to each and every patient who visits the hospital, and that we are trying to struggle hard as an institution to provide this safe medical care to each and every individual who comes to the hospital, and also an affordable health care. Quality is one of the aspects. 10 years, I see India as a destination wherein the Western world will look towards us for having the quality healthcare and also the safe healthcare.
Thank you, many congratulations. And as Dr. Thomas has also mentioned, India is of course looked up to for the medical tourism. In fact, the surgery from start to finish under 5 minutes. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to share his age, pretty young one, and he has been practicing this surgery since 1999. Dr. Cyrus Mehta underwent advanced training for phacoemulsification cataract surgery in USA, and he has been awarded the fellowship of the St. Vincentius Hospital. Joins us from the leading mental health center of Eastern UP. It provides outdoor and indoor psychiatric care for all psychiatric and psychological disorders. The next award, we have pioneered in endoscopic urological procedures in India for prostrate and stones. They have maintained a leadership role in conducting urological workshops. The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is for someone who's giving you good smiles, and 98 at the heart of Aurangabad city. It is a multi-speciality clinic at Aurangabad, providing all specialty services under one roof. It is a fully functional, equipped dental clinic having all the necessary and latest instruments for the treatment all under one roof. That's someone who's a young, budding person into chess. The next award, ladies and gentlemen, joining us to receive the award. In fact, this is a unit of SHE Private Limited Company. It was incorporated in 2008 with a tagline of Dream to Success. They work in unique style by blending two different fields of entertainment and health.
468, 546, 624, 702, 780.
Okay, now 3-digit table. Okay, Apurvai, he will do 3-digit table, any number, 3-digit number table. Okay, 613.
One 2261839 24523065367842914914904517 613067347567.
have crossed more than 10. You have gone up to 13. Because this was little bit easier for him. Okay. Now 4-digit table. Okay. The number is 4286. Okay.
4286 8572 1285 1744 214 21430 25716 34288 38574 4286 047 14651 432 5571 6004 64 64290 68576 72862 77148.
Okay. They can do any multiplication, any addition, any subtraction mentally much faster than 20 of 4. And we are giving this training, and it is called Brain Development Program. And we are conducting these classes, and also we are introducing very new course that is called Memory Technique. Even you can also join. For this course is only for 4 years to 13 years of age group. But Memory Technique you can also join. You can memorize any number, anything, and that technique we are going to introduce. So this is called Memory Development Program, and they are coming once in a week, 2 hours to learn this technique. And
sir, after witnessing this kind of the demo, what are your comments, please?
It's like watching people speak in some language you don't understand.
When we performed this same demo in front of the Mumbai University Vice Chancellor, Mr. Rajan Bedkar, he expressed that this kind of the training should be imparted in each and every school where the students go to learn. So these are after school program. So they suggested.
actually, just like already Vishwanath Anand is using that brain, when he's playing the game.
Thank you, sir.
Company which are specializing in strategizing and planning events and anniversaries.
Main concerts, big all
Concerts.
the playback singers.
Concerts of playback. On holiday basis.
So, just tell your name and the award you won for.
My name is Archana Dange. I run Vigna Harta Entertainment Private Limited, and I have won the Brand Excellence Award for the best event management company in Mumbai, and I'm very.
So since Vishwanath Anand, he himself is
Ha,
a public
ha,
figure,
Vishwanath
he's,
Anand,
he's
ha.
like a pride to the
Yeah,
nation.
yeah.
So how means like excited and happy are you to just win the award?
Yeah,
with his name?
I'm very happy that I can't express anything. That I have no words to say about it, and I don't think I really don't have any words to say about it, and I'm very thankful to Lord Ganesha. So, because the name of my company is Vigna Harta, that means the Lord Ganesha, and I'm thankful to all my artists, all my team who gave me lot of support, all my clients, and everyone, my family and friends, and really, and all my team. It is always a teamwork, and it is always dedication to work and hard work. That is what I believe, and I will always work very hard for my Vigna Hatha Entertainment with dedication, with my full team, with my full team, artists and everyone.
मैम थोड़ा सा आपके जो इवेंट कंपनी है विनार्ता उसके बारे में डिटेल से बताएंगे क्या कुछ किन किन फील्ड्स में आपकी कंपनी काम
into corporate events. Then my field is also into birthday parties also. We started from the very low things like birthday parties. You can't say any event is big or small. So we started birthday party is also an event. Corporates parties, annual get-togethers, social gatherings. Then you may say weddings. Then the music concerts. But we are specialized into musical concerts. So we have done lot of shows with the music. Musical things. Passion for music brought me into this industries. So really, I'm basically BSL LLB. I'm an advocate. I'm a bar council of member. But passion is passion.
Okay, thank you so much and congratulations for winning the award.
Thank you. Thanks.
Entrepreneurship, yeah.
Women entrepreneurship. This award, since you won this award with the hand of the pride of the nation, Vishwanath Anand.
See, this award basically certifies that hard work always gets paid at the end of the day. It's been almost like 3 years now. I'm into the segment of manufacturing and exporting. Being just 23 years old, I stand today and I'm taking this award for being the best woman entrepreneur, and it's an honor in itself to receive it from Vishwanathan Anand himself. So him being such a grandmaster and me being so little in the field, it's really nice to get such appreciation. I am very excited. I want to continue to do better in the coming years. So right now that's what I'm feeling. It's very happy. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I'm really very happy to have this award for the Foreign Language Institute, as our institute has been from past 17 years. The American Institute have changed life of more than 21,000 students, and even on the corporate level. We have trained many corporates like L&T, Prism Group, Lodha Group, Abu Dhabi Bank, ICICI Bank. So we are feeling very proud to receive this award, and Mr. Anand, who has the best chess player, we have received this award from his hand. So I feel very grateful, and that words, I have no words to express. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
With the hand of Vishwanath Anand, who is the pride of the nation. So how are you feeling like?
No, it's a great feeling that we as we have received this award at the hands of the Grandmaster and the World Champion, and we are very proud about it. We, in our endeavor for the hospitals, we are doing our part, and of course we are also doing service for the humanity, and we are trying to provide the affordable health care to all sectors of the society. Thank you.